Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a fillable PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. Now iLovePDF files websites offers you a lot of features to modify and split merge your PDF however you want. Now to make a fillable PDF, first thing to know is this PDF. Fillable PDFs are useful for forms, application contracts, and digital paperwork. And to start, you have to access the iLovePDF website by searching for it. Then you're going to click on it. And here, we're going to choose the editing tool. You're going to upload the PDF into the editing tool. You're going to go to the edit section. And here, you're going to click on the edit PDF. And then you're going to upload your PDF. For example, I'm going to upload this PDF right here. Then once it's uploaded, you're going to add text fields or form areas where users can type information. For example, you can add shapes like this. You can color them. You can resize them like this, and cover zoom in and cover some information. For example, you write name, then you click or insert a field where the user or the visitor adds their name. Now, depending on your system, you may also need additional PDF form software for advanced interactive fields. Many users create fillable PDF for school forms, business documents, registration, and online submissions. Another huge tip is leaving enough spacing for users to type comfortably inside the fields. You can add boxes for the user to check, like if you have a question with multiple answers. And you could also test the final PDF before sending it to others. And after editing, make sure to save the documents by clicking on Save Changes, then download the fillable version. And finally, digital forms are much easier to share and complete than printed paperwork. And that's it. Now you know how to make a fillable PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next topic.